Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox something different. So this is the Tomica one. So I personally love Tomica so much because they have the quality for the price which we are paying, and it looks something true to scale if you ask me, and it looks beautiful compared to other brands on the same range. More specifically, any metal products you take. So either it comes under the brand name Mattel itself or Hot Wheels or Matchbox, whatever it is. So I personally love the Dream Tomica ones. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So this is, I didn't buy this in India. This one is imported. So you know I'm one of my friend imported this for me. So okay, here it is. I think they're importing from Thailand, I guess. Okay, let's unbox this then and see how this one actually looks. I personally bought this because I love the paint job, especially the livery here. I really don't know about this character, but again, this looked like a fair lady, so I bought it. Okay, let's keep it here for a minute. Okay, there is nothing else inside the box, if you guys are wondering. Let's put it here. Okay. So the initial impressions of this casting, okay, honestly this looks beautiful, but first time, I think after a long time I'm seeing this issue with Tomica. There is some paint bubbling here, which I never expected. They have rear view mirrors. I don't know if it is exactly okay, this is Datsun. Okay, Datsun Fair Lady. So the headlights are painted. So again, I really want to see this car in in the movie how it looks. So the taillights are also painted. At least they did paint it. So the chassis is actually plastic. The entire body is metal and it is a bit heavy. So it is not like very light casting. There are some paint irregularities here. Honestly, I'm disappointed in this case. Because I personally love Tomica so much because they deliver it. But this time I didn't expect this, but still the livery looks really nice. Okay, let's do a suspension test. It does have a suspension. And okay, so these windshields here all are painted. It is not actually a windshield. So usually Tomicas has, it have windshields, I do have this castings here, the Subaru and the Nissan. So these does have windshields, and rest of the castings which I already have, the Toyota GT 2000 GT here. And okay, I don't think I okay, here it is. The Lamborghinis here, you can see literally most of this Lamborghini are from the entire left side, and the one here in the 50th anniversary edition, everything is by Tomica. And all these things have windshields and the prop, literally everything accurate. So maybe this is because this is from the movie, so maybe they changed it a bit little. Okay, the rims are actually different compared to the normal mainlines one, so which is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. I know this is not going to roll really well, but still. Okay, if you give a little bit of push, it rolls good. It rolls okay. Okay, at least it doesn't have any that much of wheel wobble like Hot Wheels does. Since the casting is actually heavy, it is pushing the wheels to the ground, which is really nice, and it produces that noise. I personally like that sound. It is really nice. So here is the logo here, and it still has this paint job issues. Maybe this is a older casting, I guess. So I just bought it today, so I thought of unboxing it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.